Is your GMC Terrain key fob not working? Don't panic. Most issues stem from simple problems, a dead battery, or a lost connection with your car. First, replace the CR232 battery. Low voltage is a common culprit. If that doesn't work, try a remote relearn. This resyncs the fob to your car's computer. The exact steps vary by year. For 2015-2017 terrains, it's usually a simpler process involving ignition cycling and button presses. Newer models might need a scan tool for advanced diagnostics. Check your owner's manual or online resources for your specific model's procedure. Many owners solve the problem themselves with these two steps. If battery replacement and remote relearn don't work, the problem might be with your GMC Terrain's receiver module or the body control module, BCM. These can fail due to moisture, corrosion, or electrical faults. An OBD2 scanner can help identify error codes like B3031 or U1500. While receiver or BCM replacement can be costly, $200–500, it might be necessary. Looking ahead, GMC is integrating digital key systems into newer terrains using smartphone apps and NFC for entry. While convenient, these systems raise cybersecurity concerns. Keep your car's software updated to protect against vulnerabilities. The future points towards wireless ecosystems and AI-driven diagnostics, making manual key fob repairs less common.